Today, we will be replacing the internal plumbing of a leaky toilet. The time for this project is going to be about 15 minutes. You will need a new fill valve. You also want to grab yourself a bowl because you're going to drain the water in there. Any bowl is fine. I prefer to use my wife's nice Tupperware. Some plumber's tape and a decent set of channel locks. You also want to grab a new flapper because that's normally the reason why the toilet is running so much and will cost you money. Directions? Well, isn't that what this video is for? Go ahead and turn off the water to your toilet and then flush it. Hold the flapper down so you get all the water out. After you turn it off and flush it, remove that line. Use some channel locks to get it loose, then you can use your hands to get the rest off. Now there's two plastic nuts on each side of the old. Go ahead and pull the old fill valve out now. The flapper's got two tabs on each side. Go ahead and pop those each. Then you can pull the flapper out. You can adjust the water level in the toilet by twisting the fill valve left and right. Grab some plumber's tape and tape up those threads just to insurance on any leaking. You have a plastic washer and a plastic nut. Go ahead and throw that plastic washer in there. Then you're going to feed the fill valve through that plastic washer. Then you have the plastic nut, which will go on the bottom of the toilet, securing your new fill valve, like so. Grab your existing water line, screw it onto your new fill valve. There's a tube in the package, pretty self-explanatory. Put that nut right on the end of the tube. You want to put that on a little attachment and it goes into the pipe. That way it drains in the pipe. Everything's nice and tight now. Go ahead and turn your water back on. Give it a flush. And it fills up and stops at the right level. That's perfect. Maybe a little bit high, but that's how I like it. That's it. You're done. Go ahead and grab the top and put it back on. Now, enjoy yourself a cup of coffee. Sit on that throne you just replaced. And hell, why don't you grab a donut too?